Three schools A, B, and C in a town are situated such that the bearings of B and C from A are 325 degrees and 055 degrees respectively. The distances of B and C from A are 5 km and 9 km respectively. A. Calculate, correct to the nearest degree, the I bearing of B from C, II bearing of A from B. B. Find, correct to three significant figures, the distance of C from B. So we draw the cardinal point here. So the first one is 325 degrees. Here is 35 degrees. 55 degrees. 90 minus 55 is also about 35 degrees. 055 degrees. Here is 35 degrees. So 9 km should look longer than 5 km. So this place is B, this place is A, and this place is C. You can join them. So we don't know here. So we can call here small c and here B is equal to 9 km. So A, the bearing of B from C, is this from here to here. These two angles, this plus this, 35 plus this is 90 degrees. So I triangle ABC is equal to a right angle triangle. We want to find this angle. Here is 55. Here is 55 degrees. Alternate angle. Here is alternate to this place. Here is alternate to this place. While from here to here is 180. So we want to find here. In order to find there, we say tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. So it's equal to tan theta 5 over 9, and 5 over 9 is 0.5555. You continue 55. Therefore, theta is equal to arctan 0.5555, and that is equal to 29 degrees. Therefore, there are three things we are going to add. Angle on a straight line, this one, angle on a straight line, then this angle and this angle. So we have is equal to 180 plus 55 degrees, 180 degrees plus 55 degrees plus 29 degrees, and you have it to be equal to 264 degrees. Next one, which is II. So here is 29. We now know here to be 29 degrees. So here we will find here to complete the triangle. We now say from triangle, right angle triangle if you like, A, B, C. To find angle B is equal to 180 minus this plus this angle plus this, that's 90 plus 29, and that will give us equal to 61 degrees. This angle is 61 degrees. From this angle to this angle is 90 degrees. So 55 plus 29 for 84. 90 minus 84 is equal to 6 degrees. So here is 6 degrees. 6 degrees. So here is 6 degrees. Alternate angle. The bearing of A from B is here. Now we know from here to here, and we know that from here to here is 90 degrees. So 90 minus 6 plus what will be here is the answer. So answer now is equal to 90 minus 6 from here to here. From this green line to this green line is 90 minus 6 will give you this angle from here to here. So plus this angle plus 61 degrees. So we have it to be 145 degrees. So the bearing of A from B is 145 degrees. B. Find, correct to three significant figure the distance of C from B. The distance of C from B, this length. So we are looking for A or BC. So in order to get it, we use the cosine rule. So if we do that, what we will have is A is what we are looking for. So it's equal to B is 9 km, 9 squared. C is 5 squared minus 2 times 9 times 5, cos A is 90 degrees. We know that cos 90 degrees is 0 here, so that everything with 0 times this will go. So we are left with only this. So A squared is equal to that. This implies that our A is just equal to the square root of 81 plus 25. That's the square root of 106. 10.3 km. That is the answer. Subscribe, like the video, and comment below. Bye.